The front might need 2 people, by the way. I might help Kino. It's easier with 2 people.
So what do I do?
Kino will show you what to do. I'll tell you what to do.
What to do for now?
Plug.
Your car's like overheating.
You might want to take the metal and push it in the ground.
I just ripped apart because it ripped into 2. So I might use it later for like other parts. Cause the thing is, right, I told my mom that I was gonna try to do oil change, right? And then she was like, nah, you're extending my head, bro. Like, what the
Bro, put it to the back.
Not lining up. Push it in, bro. You're not pushing it. Are you? Yeah.
I don't know how much a little bit is.
So, yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just that chachi pao.
Scratch it down. Big on this.
That don't matter.
You should invite your friends too.
Huh?
Not anymore.
Shit doesn't really have people that will come now. Yeah.
People that would come. Yeah, because he works. You gotta remember, he's his manager for like 30 stores.
I know him. You told me that like 1,000 times.
Yeah. And then Jordan, I think Jordan was just like 100% guaranteed. So.
Is it today Monday?
No.
No. Saturday, bro.
No, a whole different verse.
He said, is it on Monday? I'm like, bro.
Like I said, I forgot today was my birthday, bro. I was like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, I wanted to do it because it was your birthday.
I just.
Cher, and then Jeffrey Daisy, right? So that's like 5 people already.
5 people.
And then Lee, Kino, and then
that's
and
more
then
already.
3 friends. That's 10 people. God damn. 11. Who else?
And plus, college girlfriend that show.
Oh shit, Selena too.
Yeah. I mean, that's if they show. Yeah.
It's not really noticeable unless you go bald.
The birthmarks thing go crazy. What blue people?
I was born like all blue and like skin like this.
Right. You look at it, it looks like I have an infection too.
Bro, the whole profile, bro. Ah, come in my car, I got some candy.
Just put to the back of the trunk and
Here.
Oh, not this one.
These souls are fucked. It's looking clean already.
I know, right? I like the white. The white with the black. Good mix.
Did you know somebody already did this?
Well,
I was looking at Facebook Marketplace, right? And they put an Evo bumper on a Lancer too.
yeah, they all do that.
Yeah.
All do that.
He even had the hood, like the same.
Yeah.
To go get our free dinner.
Treat them like shit.
if I was
Get
a
the
girl,
dinner and go
yeah.
home.
If I was a girl, yeah. Nah, man, I don't know what you mean, bro.
No, I'm not a girl, I'm just gay. I'm not a girl, I'm just
That's
gay.
crazy.
How close enough?
I didn't say that, but yeah.
He knows like, yeah, you're on that one.
I was gonna say, bro, haven't you heard? People want equal rights. That means you don't gotta pay no more.
It must be my. It goes up to like 120 or 110.
It's like not bad.
It's still pretty damn fast.
Yeah.
Ninja's pretty popular.
Yeah, Ninja, I heard a lot about that guy. Yeah, the gamer.
The Yamaha is so clean too, though.
Oh, yeah, so we don't have to screw it back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
Yamaha R6, 2000, bro. Yeah, but the cost is 2000. Clean title and everything. A lot of people selling bikes.
Because they read it and then they realize that they don't want to die. Oh, tight.
And I'm just bald.
No, you have balls down here too.
Yeah. Right here.
Not really that big of a ball. When did he text me?
Just now.
I just not word. He didn't forget. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh, just busy.
I think he just waited a few days so he could get some responses.
You got some bondo.
Getting a Mustang, baby.
Well, we might get.
We could probably low ball and get 3K.
We could probably be whatever. We just flip it.
Actually Hornet or just like
Yeah.
this?
Oh, Hornet, the one over there was B, so the B's are not there anymore. Well, not B, Wasp.
Wasp. Oh, what the fuck? That actually Hornet?
They're pretty big too, I'm not gonna lie. We smacked them with a shovel. Kino has video.
We weren't invited. We were just supposed to show up.
Yeah, I mean it's our house. So we're just supposed to be there. But you know.
Yeah. Apparently she invited me, even though she never invited me.
Bro got invited to
Yeah, when you ask her, she's gonna be like, no, I didn't invite you. You're like, hell no, you didn't.
What the fuck?
There's no time she actually invited me. I don't have it on Facebook, nothing.
Yeah,
Oh, so if I was to ever replace this, right, like the grills here, what?
Oh, you're just gonna do this?
Yeah, just take out the metal PVC there, right?
Yeah. This?
Just lift it up, yeah. And then you should be able to just take out the.
Can we bring it up a little bit more? Add some space? Yeah.
Yeah, we have space, we should just use the space. Yeah! Okay, throw down there. I heard driving our group project car, bruh. My teacher said that if I.
In my own car, yeah. What kind of
Juniors are the worst.
I'm gonna try to punk you.
I don't care anyone says, they're like the worst people. Dude, this,
I still like doing that.
So why are you doing this part?
What?
Why are you doing it like this?
So we film right. A little bump.
Oh, so we can make the bomb. Yeah, okay. And then we gotta sand it.
So what was this bump for?
Because see how my headlights have like this arch thing right here?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're doing it for that. I think I keep my my car on the low key, you know?
On the low key. Nah, man, it's the group project. You gotta do it for everyone.
It's white. White and black and a little bit of red.
Gotta try out the rainbow, no? The rainbow car.
I'm like fucking purple or green, blue or whatever.
I can't wait to put the logo back on too. It looks so much better.
The Mitsubishi logo.
Yeah. We have it right here.
We took it from the other bumper.
Yeah. We took it off the bumper before we threw it away.
That's
I don't think I'm gonna do that, but that sounds stupid as fuck.
Bro, just get an exhaust system. At least your car will be like superior than it is now.
Nah. Drill holes in it.
I'm gonna draw holes in it and then drive it once and then change
Get
it
an
out.
inferior car.
We will do
Not
that
only would I
too.
add weight to my car, it has
Bro,
no use to
bro,
me
you
on
don't
my
care
car.
about your weight, bro. You're getting that prototype. You're getting that heavy.
Yeah, but I'm already
prototype.
happy as hell. I'm not gonna, I'm like, I'm more weight, but adding like 6 exhausts for no reason. I'm not doing that. It doesn't have no use and I wasted my money.
Right.
the dot, so if I can do it, you gotta get killed. Fucking trash teammate.
Team Diff.
It can actually troll you, bro. I'm just playing, man.
Oh, in the match, you put everything back.
You're just a fucking meat shield.
Yeah,
He only calls you out to take
because,
damage.
because you're, yeah,
He calls you to take an L.
yeah, pretty much.
I mean, shit, bro.
I think you should be using has the shield.
Yeah, but then it's like, what if we
Wait,
just
what?
try, what if we're just playing casual though? That's the problem.
Yeah, and then now you're not even playing the game anymore. You're just getting used.
Well, then if you're playing casual, you shouldn't be in a fighting game, in my opinion.
Fighting games.
No, casual. Like,
Because in general,
just,
fighting games are
yeah, but then like if it's just like a casual.
Yeah, I like that too.
Arrow?
Yeah.
You played it? I didn't even know you played Terra.
Me?
Yeah.
I play with you guys.
No,
We just bonded. We just
We're gonna
bonded.
drive off. I thought.
It just mean we did it better than the.
I don't know about that one.
We just bonded
Make it closer?
some screws, bro. We just bonded some screws.
Looks pretty clean.
The gap here just never steps over me.
I mean, it's okay. We're gonna like have the rubber part there.
Yeah.
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 Just it's whatever, cause we're gonna
Just
come
leave
back.
it.
Yeah.
We're gonna
We're gonna come back anyways. Alright.